XRP is about to make a huge move, guys. I know it doesn't seem very exciting for the present moment, but cryptos appear to have bottomed out. Bitcoin is moving up. Altcoins, meme coins are going crazy at the very moment. And we have Ripple. This is old news, couple days old, obviously. They have, guess what? Filed a cross appeal to the SEC. This is very, very bullish. And what this is likely to do for this whole SEC appeal is likely to get it shut down, possibly removed and denied, which would be very, very bullish for XRP. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you the truth. This SEC appeal has zero effect on the XRP, has zero, zilch, nada effect on Ripple's business. And ultimately, at the worst possible scenario of what could happen with this appeal, which is going to take 3 to 5 years, maybe longer, maybe a little bit less, it's going to make Ripple pay. And I'm talking, this is the worst, most bearish case scenario, World War VII type of news. They're going to have to pay a little bit more money, a little bit more of a fine to the SEC, which the chance of that happening is 0.001%. So almost impossible. These are the numbers that AI has predicted of the chance of this appeal going through. And I'm not even kidding. So let me show you what is happening in the crypto market, guys. This is really, really crazy. So if we take off ALGOSNIPER, so we can see the charts very clearly, we can see that Bitcoin has dumped down but pushed up very strongly. So Bitcoin right now is trading at almost $63,000, and Bitcoin is on the very edge and precipice of making a huge move. This is what we want to be looking out for. Bitcoin is at resistance right now. But if Bitcoin breaks out of this resistance, we are going to see a move potentially to the all-time highs for Bitcoin from our current level to all-time highs. That is about a 18% move. And that's going to translate to altcoins a massive move as well. So Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. The indicators are all flashing extremely bullish. And historically, it is the month of October and the end of the month of October, which is bullish for cryptocurrencies, especially in a halving cycle. So I do believe cryptos are about to make a huge move very, very soon, and possibly this week. And I think the move has already begun with the dump last week to 58,000. We pumped all the way back up this past weekend. Yesterday, we went all the way to $63,000, which if you were in my Patreon, we literally have just made a massive fortune. Everyone in my Patreon is making a fortune right now because we longed the Bitcoin bottom on leverage and also bought altcoins. Look at this. I put a long alert for Bitcoin at $60,000. Bitcoin went all the way up to nearly $64,000, which is nearly a 6% move. That is absolutely crazy, especially if you caught it on leverage. And that's why I made about $13,000 that day. You guys can follow and copy my signals by joining the Patreon, where if you guys want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies full-time, become a full-time trader like me, where I made $13,000 just on Friday alone. Look at these crazy gains. You can join the Patreon and learn through all of that through the Patreon. But one thing that's helping me to do all of this is my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, which guess what? It gave a buy alert at the very bottom. This tool is absolutely critical because it's going to help you to understand when it's best to buy, when it's best to sell. This indicator you guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. But if you're going to be trading cryptos, make sure you're doing it over on Blowfin, where I am the top trader ranked on there with 100% win rate. You guys can copy my trades over there as well. But most importantly, this is the platform that you want to be using to trade on because it's very secure and it has the cheapest fees. As a day trader, as an investor, the platform you use is very important because if you guys are using crypto.com, if you guys are using Robinhood, the fees are absolutely astronomical. And you're going to say, well, Robinhood doesn't have any fees. Well, yes, they do because they give it to you at a much higher price. I don't even want to get into it. The fees are big. The fees are very big. And the fees over here at Blowfin are 10 times less. So that's very important for me, especially trading hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of millions of dollars in volume every single month. It's very, very important. I'm very, very bullish on the crypto market. And I think things are going to finally start taking off soon. or if we get rejected here, it's just going to send us back down again. But I don't think that that is going to be happening. I think we are literally going to finally this time break through and start pushing to the upside. And for XRP and for altcoins, it's going to get really, really crazy. You guys better get ready. Make sure you follow my Twitter. Check out the things in my video description, and I will see you later.